There's two ways to install these push-type plastic fasteners that are extremely common on modern cars. First way is the easy way, and that's just to line it up with the hole and just give it a firm push. The other way to do it is to stick it in the hole and grab something appropriate for the fastener, in this case Phillips screwdriver, and screw it into the hole. You'll feel it get a little tight. It never does tighten up like a normal screw or bolt would, so you just go until you feel a little bit of resistance against your fingers and you're done. Now, when dealing with these fasteners, for removing them, important thing is to make sure the screw head is clean. You can take a pick or a toothbrush or something and clean the head out. But sometimes you just get a fastener like this one that's been stripped out by someone else, and well, this one still turns with the Phillips, but no matter what you do, you can't seem to get threads to bite. One of the things I try first is I take a little screwdriver, flathead, and pry. Sometimes you can pry, and then once you do that, sorry, I'm holding the camera here while trying to hold two screwdrivers. It's not working terribly well, but sometimes that's all it takes to get a thread to catch, so you can unscrew this center part right out of the way. Another thing I like to do is, if that doesn't work, take a chisel, a nice sharp chisel and a hammer, and start to hammer this head right up. With a little bit of hammering, you can break the outer edge of the inner screw so that the centerpiece can just push through. Use a chisel or a punch or a screwdriver or anything. Once that outer rim is broken free, you can just push that through, and then the fastener comes off, and the other piece that goes in the middle here usually falls through too. I hope this information is useful. I know I've fought these fasteners in the past, and they've can get irritating and frustrate you, probably more than a plastic fastener should. But I found with these tricks, these fasteners really aren't too bad, and I generally keep a whole assortment of them in my toolbox, so whenever I come across one that's questionable or wearing out, I can just replace it with a brand new one like this one. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.